Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair this LLOYD 40-inch LED TV which has a no display problem. Now, observe carefully. While tapping on the display, you can see the backlight flashing. This clearly indicates that the backlight section is working fine. As we have discussed in earlier videos, this type of issue is commonly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may occur either on the left side or the right side of the panel, and if both sides are affected, the panel becomes very difficult to repair. In this particular TV, a 39-inch AUO HD ready panel is used. You can see the panel model displayed here. So, let's begin the diagnosis process. First, we need to check for any internal shorting in the panel, but before that, we will verify all the basic panel voltages. For this, I am using a Fluke 101 multimeter, which I purchased online from Flipkart about 5 years ago, and it is still working perfectly. For those interested, we have tagged the multimeter in the video description. Now, while checking the basic panel voltages such as panel VCC, VGH, avdd, VGL, and VDD, all the readings are normal. So, in this case, all panel voltages are present and stable, which does not immediately indicate a panel fault. At this point, I decided to test with an alternate motherboard to further isolate the issue. So here, we have connected an Impex LED TV motherboard. Now let's release the board from standby mode and check the display. After replacing the motherboard, the picture appears and the TV starts working perfectly fine. So initially, it looked like a panel fault, but actually, the issue was with the motherboard. This is likely due to some kind of shorting or fault in the LVDS signals coming from the motherboard, possibly caused by a defective main IC. So finally, we will fix this motherboard in the TV and complete the repair. That's it for today's video.